Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the updated steps on how to hide the date you joined Facebook from your profile. This is a quick and easy process, so let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping on your profile picture or name at the top of the screen. Next, tap on the Edit Profile button. This will take you to a page where you can customize various aspects of your profile. Scroll down until you find the Details section. Here, you'll see an option to edit this section. Tap on Edit. Now, look for the section labeled Joined Facebook. This is where your account creation date is displayed. To hide this information, simply uncheck the box next to Joined Facebook. After that, make sure to save your changes by tapping the Save button at the bottom of the screen. And that's it. Your Facebook join date will no longer be visible on your profile. It's a simple way to maintain privacy and keep certain details about your account hidden from others. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might also want to hide their join date. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.